But there's the coolest advantage about being unemployed. You can look at anyone straight in their face with confidence and yell out, "You are not my boss!" Breaking the rules that are not even there. Who said when you have to go play golf, you have to wear like a golf t-shirt? Not me. When I go there, I wear my V-neck shirt. Don't wear a cap, I wear balaclava. Yeah, so I heard rumors about them in July. And I asked a friend, I said, "What goes down there? What is it all about?" He said, "Well, it's an annual horse race." I said, "Wait, don't tell me. I'll go down there myself. I want to hear it from the horse's mouth." So I left. I went to this other event there. There was I on stage. There was the audience. And I made a joke about a ghost masturbating. I didn't see it coming. Neither some of you here. I should warn you though, do not sleep. I don't mean during my search. I mean like from today onwards till you die, if you die. If you don't die, do not sleep.